How to use a gas station car wash. I'm going to tell you how to use a gas station car wash. It starts at the pump. Most stations with car washes give you the option to buy a wash while fueling. Look for a button or ask the clerk inside. After payment, you'll either get a printed code or your plate will be registered if it's automated. Drive to the wash bay entrance and wait for the green light or signal. Enter slowly, lining up your wheels on the track if there is one. Once you're in position, shift to neutral or park and take your hands off the wheel. Most washes will say when to stop moving, often with lights, sensors, or staff's instructions. Windows up, wipers off, antenna down, sit back. The wash will run its course: soap, water, brushes, rinse, and sometimes dryer.